Jason, what did you get in the mail? Show me your thing you got in the mail. Go get it. Show me.
Right here?
Get it out and show me. It says, today's your birthday.
I'm gonna put it there.
Hope it's a great big ball of fun. Happy birthday, love, Aunt Sharon. And what else did you get in this card? Huh? What else did you get in the card? Jason.
What?
What else did you get in the card? What else was in there when you opened it? Is it money? Huh? What are you going to do with your birthday money? Huh?
I'm gonna take this off.
No, leave it there because when we got to move, okay? Daddy wants it there. Look at me. What are you going to do with your money? Huh? Can you answer me? What are you going to do with your money? Okay. Put your card in there.
Huh?
Now tell me what you're going to do with your money.
I go buy some candy.
Candy? She is in love with candy. Okay, I'm trying something different. I'm trying to cook eggs, scrambled eggs in the microwave. So just, since we're moving, I don't want to have to like dirty up anything. Dirty up more than I need to. So I saw this on YouTube and gonna try it out. Hopefully it does good. Getting all fluffy looking. Alright, here's the finished product. I say the only thing different is maybe put a little non-stick spray or maybe a little bit of butter in the bottom. And just keep a close eye on it. I think I got mine a little too dry, but that's okay. Chris wants some juice. Here, Sissy. Okay, thank you. Here. Jacqueline. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Gotta make the bed.